Hey guys, this is Ralph, Timber and Tools. I'm going to bring you a video on disassembling and reassembling a on-off and choke lever on a Stihl MS170 180. Our friends at hipastore.com asked us if we could make a video to show people the proper way to do this safely without damaging their chainsaw. A lot of people break off a little plastic piece on these while they're doing it. So without further ado, let's dive in. Simple screwdriver, spark plug wrench. I'm gonna get right up underneath there, just like that. Now, I'll show you guys. See, there's a little gap between this. This is what gets broken. Put my screwdriver right in there, pry up gently. You guys can still see what's going on. Just wiggle this out, nice and easy. Wiggle it out. And that pops out. Slide that. I want to make sure that this is clear. Slide that. That comes off. Now this piece came out. This just unclips simply, and it's out, and it's free, just like that. You'll notice I didn't have to take anything else apart on this chainsaw to remove this and to disassemble it. It's pretty simple. Now, reassembly is the same way, but you're gonna have to pay close attention to where this spring is right here. And you're also gonna wanna make sure that you can get this lined up and slide that in properly. Clean your part, or if you're replacing it with a new one, go ahead and make sure it's clean, ready for assembly. Now there's a hole in the back right here. Bring you guys in for that. Okay, that hole right there is where this piece has to go to. So we're gonna line that up. All right, now that we're ready for reassembly, you're gonna wanna take this, put it down through here. You could do this a couple different ways. I've found it to be easiest to install this choke linkage. Okay, so we've got the choke linkage installed. Move that wire, make sure that's not underneath this bar. Squeeze the trigger, makes it a little bit easier to get the linkage where it needs to be. You do have to pry up a little bit on that to get it in the far side once you have this in, okay? So, make sure that seats in all the way, just like so. Now, this is where a lot of people, like I said, a lot of people run into the problem here. Lift this spring up, okay? You'll lift that spring up, gently push this down, and then the spring sits on top. You reinstall your wire. Voila. You have successfully repaired your choke linkage on-off switch on a Stihl MS170 MS180. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you, Hipa Outdoors.